I'd like to invite you all to our monthly AI workshop, where it happens on the last Friday of every month. Tomorrow, May 31st at 8 a.m. here in La Crosse, and then we'll also be meeting in Menominee. We're going to go over a number of the major updates that we've seen in the last month. Google had their big release where they talked about their Gemini 1.5 model with 2 million tokens. We're going to ChatGPT, same week, released a giant new model. Microsoft the following week announced their CoPilot PC, which is a AI embedded PC with a neural processing unit that we have one on order that we should have here in mid-June. So for our June workshop, we'll be able to play with that. After we talk about some of the advancements in the last 30 days in the AI world, we'll jump into our workshop where we have ready that all the participants will be able to build their own chatbot in about 30 seconds and then test your interaction with a live interactive chatbot to see how it works and how you can use it and how to build your prompts so these chatbots respond as a person. We have this updated with the new ChatGPT 4.0. And we'll also be going into talking some of the major advancements, like what are the implications of a local embedded AI, and NVIDIA's crazy skyrocketing up in valuation. I think they went up almost 20 to 30% in the last 30 days in value as it released their earnings. And with any luck, we'll have our hands on a CoPilot PC for the meeting that we have coming in June. So look forward to seeing you guys.